So, hello everyone, and we're going to talk about Laplace transform from the differential equations, and we're going to talk about Caltech and the shortcut on how to do it. So, let's first dive in for the rules. The rules here are simple. Your S will be automatically be 2, and first step we need to do here is we need to set the format of the calculator in this manner. Integral 0 approaching to 8, then the given integral which is in the question just like this, and then partner this up with e raised to negative x 2x dx. So set the format like that, then answers must be the same in the choices. So what you will have in the value here will be, you want to make it the same value in here also as well in the choices, so that there will be a definite answer. And then note, this is only work with only multiple choices, of course, because you will be needing the values. So let's start. So number one, we have the Laplace transform of e raised to negative 2t. So what we said here is we had to format here integral of, so this will be 0, this will be 8, and here parentheses the given integral, which is e raised to negative 2x, and then the format is simply e raised to negative 2x as well. There we go. Then plug enter. So this will take a while. Some calculators give the answers quickly, but here this is a common um, issue as well, so we just need to wait. So as you can see here, we have now a value in the given integral, so 1/4, or much rather we will take um, the decimal form, which is 0.25. Now we just need to find 0.25 in one of these answers. So for me, the obvious one here is here, of course, because as we said, our S is 2, so we just plot this 1, 2 plus 2 equals to 1/4, or 0.25. So this is your answer right here. That's how simple it is. So let's dive into number 2 here. So number 2, we just need to plot this again, 0 to 8, then this. So just transfer t to x, because in the calculator you need x. So 3t square plus 5 square, oops, plus 5x, then of course e raised to negative 2x. So double check if this is right. X cubed plus minus 3x squared plus 5x. So you just need to press enter and wait again for the given value to be given. Here we have now a value, and the value is 0.87. So we just need to find here what is the 0.87 here. So as for mine, let's pick again a if we have a, an answer here. So 6, then s4 is of course s 2 raised to 4 minus 6 2 cube plus 2 over 2. So guys, there have been a miscalculations and rewritten of choices here. It's a ground error for me, so that's my fault. So as you can see, we have an error of an answer earlier, so which case I've tried it all first and we have no given answer here, so I rewrite again the final choices, and we should have a final answer here. So 6, 4, So let's try this letter A again because I sense A is the right answer here. So this should give me the definite answer now. It's my fault, guys, in the given of choices, so pardon me. And there we go, 0.8785. So this is considered as well. So this is our final answer right here. Even in the other choices, I had to change some because there are a lot of mistakes here. So thank you, guys. So moving along to number 3 here, we have a integral of trigonometry. So let's answer them. So again, we just need to plot this. So integral of 0 to 8, and then our given here is x sine 4x, then e raised to negative 2x. Oops. Then press enter, and we just need to wait for the answer here again. And now we have a value of 0.39, in which case we are going to put 0.04 because there will be a round off on 3 because of 9. So let's consider 0.04 as our given value here. So let's try some of the choices here, in which case I will choose letter C, and let's see if my speculations are right. So 8s, so 2, so negative 8 times 2 over open parenthesis of 2 square plus 16 square, in which case negative, just put in an absolute value, and since they are the same, so this is our final answer right here. Now moving along to our last and final answer question, rather, is the Laplace of 6 sine 2t, so 0, 8. See, this is how easy if you're going to use the Caltech. 6 sine 2x, and then exponential of um, negative 2x right here. So oh, my bad, there's there we go. So let's wait for the final value here, and which case we're going to be using here in the choices. So now we have a value of 1.5. Let's put it here. Let's consider 1.5. For me, I will just do 1.5 disregarding the 0 because we have a lot of 0 here repeatedly. So let's now find the final answer here. For me, let's try letter C again, in which case we will have 12 over 2 square plus 4. There we go, 1.5 as our final answer. Thus C is the correct answer. And now that is how you do the Caltech of Laplace transform. I hope you learned something today, and thank you.